The priest didn't know that a camera was watching him. What he did then is very amazing. In the quaint village of St. Agnes, nestled amidst rolling hills and surrounded by verdant landscapes, lived Father Benedict, the devoted priest of the village church. A man of faith and wisdom, he was revered by all for his compassion and unwavering dedication to his congregation. Little did he know that on one fateful day, his actions would be caught on camera, revealing a side of him that would forever change the lives of those who witnessed it. The village of St. Agnes was picturesque, untouched by the fast pace of the modern world. It was a place where everyone knew each other, and time seemed to move at a leisurely pace. Father Benedict, a middle-aged man with a gentle smile and silver hair, had been serving the village for many years. His sermons were soul-stirring, his advice sought after by all, and his presence brought comfort to those in need. One summer afternoon, as the sunlight filtered through the stained glass windows of the church, Father Benedict was preparing for the evening service. Unbeknownst to him, a small camera, installed for security purposes, had been set up in a corner of the church by the villagers. The camera was intended to capture any unusual activity, ensuring the safety of the holy place. However, on this day, it would capture a moment of pure humanity and compassion. As the afternoon turned to evening, the church bell tolled, summoning the villagers for the evening service. Among the congregation was a young woman named Isabella. With her flowing chestnut hair and radiant smile, she was the embodiment of beauty and grace. However, Isabella carried a heavy burden on her heart. Her mother had fallen gravely ill, and her spirit was weighed down by the fear of losing the woman who had raised her single-handedly. During the service, Isabella's gaze wandered around the church, seeking solace and reassurance. Her eyes eventually settled on Father Benedict, who stood at the pulpit, delivering his sermon with his customary passion. His words resonated deeply with Isabella, touching a chord within her that she hadn't expected. As the service concluded, Isabella found herself drawn towards the altar. The presence of the camera, hidden from view, was forgotten in the intensity of her emotions. She approached Father Benedict, her eyes brimming with tears, and without hesitation, she embraced him. The priest, surprised by the sudden display of affection, held her gently, sensing her distress. "Father," Isabella whispered through her tears, "my mother is gravely ill. I fear I might lose her. I don't know what to do." Father Benedict's heart went out to Isabella. He held her close, his eyes conveying a depth of empathy that words could not express. "Child," he said softly, "sometimes, in our darkest moments, all we need is to have faith and to lean on the strength of those around us." Unknown to both of them, the camera continued to capture the intimate moment between the priest and the young woman. The villagers who had set up the camera were deeply moved by what they saw. The camera was meant to capture potential wrongdoings, but instead, it had revealed the very essence of human compassion and understanding. In the days that followed, Isabella's mother's condition worsened. Isabella spent hours at her bedside, praying fervently for her recovery. Father Benedict visited often, offering words of comfort and hope. The villagers, too, rallied around Isabella, offering their support and prayers. As the weeks turned into months, Isabella's mother's health began to stabilize. The power of collective faith and unwavering love seemed to be working wonders. Throughout this time, Father Benedict continued to be a pillar of strength for Isabella, guiding her through the challenges she faced. One evening, as the sun set in a blaze of orange and pink, Isabella and Father Benedict found themselves sitting in the church garden. The camera, which had recorded their initial embrace, was no longer the center of attention. Instead, the focus was on the bond that had formed between a devoted priest and a young woman in need. "Father," Isabella said, her voice filled with gratitude, "you have been my rock during this trying time. Your words and your presence have given me the strength to carry on." Father Benedict smiled warmly, his eyes reflecting the depth of his own emotions. "Isabella, my dear child, it is not I who have provided strength, but the power of faith and love that resides within all of us. In times of darkness, we must remember that we are never truly alone." As time passed, Isabella's mother began to recover. The village celebrated the miracle that had taken place, attributing it to the collective prayers and the bond between Isabella and Father Benedict. The camera, which had inadvertently captured their moment of vulnerability, became a symbol of the beauty that can emerge from unexpected places. The story of Father Benedict and Isabella spread beyond the village of St. Agnes. People from neighboring towns heard of the priest who had offered solace in the most genuine and heartfelt way. The power of compassion and the resilience of the human spirit became an inspiration for many, reminding them of the strength that lies within simple acts of kindness. In the end, the camera that had been intended to watch for wrongdoing had unwittingly become a witness to an act of profound humanity. It had captured a moment that showcased the true essence of the priest and the young woman, reminding everyone that in the tapestry of life, it's often the unscripted moments that reveal the beauty of the human heart. As the years went by, the village of St. Agnes continued to thrive, untouched by the passage of time. Father Benedict's hair grew whiter, and Isabella blossomed into a strong, compassionate woman. The camera that had captured their intimate moment remained a silent guardian of the church, a testament to the enduring power of love and empathy. Isabella's mother regained her health fully, and her home once again echoed with laughter and joy. Isabella, inspired by her own experiences, became a beacon of hope for others in need. She volunteered at the local hospital, offering comfort to patients and their families, much like Father Benedict had done for her. Father Benedict, too, continued his service to the village, his sermons filled with even more wisdom and compassion. His connection with Isabella remained strong, a bond forged in the crucible of adversity. The two shared a friendship that transcended the bounds of priest and parishioner, becoming a symbol of the enduring strength of human relationships. The camera's existence became a heartwarming secret for the villagers, a reminder of the extraordinary in the ordinary. Its presence served as a silent reminder that even in the most unexpected moments, a simple act of kindness can ripple through time, shaping lives in ways one could never predict. The story of Father Benedict and Isabella was passed down through generations, a tale of love, faith, and the indomitable human spirit. The camera's footage remained untouched, a cherished relic of the village's history. It was a testament to the power of capturing genuine moments of connection, reminding all who saw it that beauty often lies in the unguarded, unscripted moments of life. And so, in the village of St. Agnes, the camera continued to stand watch, a silent witness to the beauty that had unfolded within its gaze. As the years rolled on, it served as a symbol of the timeless truth that acts of kindness, compassion, and empathy have the power to create a tapestry of love that weaves through the hearts of all who experience them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell. Share your thoughts in the comments. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.